Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a smartwatch from boAt. The model number is boAt Wave Edge and I purchased this from Amazon for around 2199 rupees. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check this out. Now let's unbox it. In the back there are some features that are printed. This supports both Android and iOS. So inside the box we get the watch itself, and there is some documentation and a charging cable. So first, this is a thank you note from boAt, and this is a product catalog. And this is a user guide for the watch, how to set up the watch itself and the processes to connect it to the application in your phone. So that is a pamphlet about that. And this smartwatch have the Bluetooth calling method. And here is the charging cable. This will connect to your smartwatch and will charge it. And finally, the watch itself. The watch comes with a metallic body and a glass back, which feels really good in hand, and it have the 60 Hz display, so it should provide us with a smooth scrolling. So let us check the watch, and it also have the activate. It also has the active crown. That means by using the crown we can change our wallpaper as well as we can change or scroll through the menus in the phone, in the smartphone. You can see the scrolling is very smooth. That because it contains a 60 Hz display, so that's why it's really smooth. From the top there is some notification bar which contains settings, flashlight, etc. And this is the menu where you can find all the things that are there installed in the phone. As well, there is a sidebar for quick display. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also, newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notification from me. See you in the next video. Stay tuned until then.